Is a cup of coffee a part of your daily routine? When in Italy, you might be using a Moka pot to make it. When you're in Italy, there's no shortage of places to enjoy your daily cup of brew. But if you're staying in an apartment or a holiday house, you might find this little gadget in the kitchen. This is a Moka pot, and knowing how to make your cup of brew with this one might be a handy skill to have. Using this Moka pot is quite easy, and I'll show you how. First, you fill the container with water. It is important not to overfill it. You see, there is a little valve inside, and you fill with water just about up to where the valve is placed. Then you put in the filter and fill it with espresso grain coffee. Fill it with a little mountain, but don't press it down. Just clear the brims to make sure that nothing sticks. Then your Moka pot is ready to be put on the stove. Put it on medium gas to make sure not to burn it. The coffee is brewed, going up the tube, and when you hear the kettle starting to bubble like this, you know it's done. You can kill the gas. This coffee is espresso grade and dark and strong, so naturally you enjoy it in a small cup.